Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Today I am going to teach you sound English book, open page number 14. Sounds with A. Which letter is this? A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. Which letter is this? B. And what is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of A? A. B. A. Bear. B. A. Bear. Okay student, if we will join bear with d, we will read bad, 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 bag, 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 ban, 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 bat to bat, bat to bat, k a cat, k a cat. If we will join cat with b, we will read cat, b, cat, cat, b, cat, cat, do, cat, cat, do, cat, can, can, cat, poo, cap, cat, poo, cap, cat to cat, cat to cat, do, a, da, do, a, da, da, boo, dab, da, boo, dab, da, do, dat, da, do, dat, da, dam, da, dam, foo, a, fair, foo, a, fair. If we will join fair with b, we will read fair, boo, fab, fair, boo, fab, fair, do, fad, fair, do, fad, fair, goo, fag, fair, goo, fag, fair, fan, 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 fair to fat, fair to fat, l, a, la, l, a, la, la, boo, lab, la, boo, lab, la, do, lad, la, do, lad, la, goo, lag, la, goo, lag, la, poo, lab, la, poo, lab, a, man, a, man, ma, do, mad, ma, do, mad, man, 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 ma, poo, map, 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 ma, to, mat, ma, to, mat, ru, a, ra, ru, a, ra, ra, goo, rag, ra, goo, rag, ram, ram, ra, ram, ra, ran, ra, ran, ra, poo, rap, ra, poo, rap, ra, to, rat, ra, to, rat, s, a, sa, s, a, sa. If we will join sa with d, we will read sa, do, sad, sa, do, sad, sa, goo, sag, sa, goo, sag, sa, poo, sap, sa, poo, sap, sa, to, sat, 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 t, a, ta, t, a, ta, ta, boo, tab, ta, boo, tab, ta, goo, tag, ta, goo, tag, tan, 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 ta, poo, tab, ta, poo, tab, ta, kus, tax, ta, kus, tax. Okay student, here is an activity. Find these words in the list above. Now here are some pictures. We will find these words in the list above. Okay student, which picture is this? Fan. Okay, we will find fan in these words. This one is fan, no. This one is fan, no. This one is fan, yes. Fan, no, fan. Fan, no, fan. What is this? Dam. What is this? Dam. Now we will find dam in these words. This one is dam, no. This one is dam, no. This one is dam, yes. Dam, dam. Dam, dam. Is this? Cat. What is this? Cat. Now we will find cat in these words. This one is cat, no. This word is cat, no. This word is cat, yes. Cat to cat. Cat to cat. Which picture is this? Cap. Now we will find cap in these words. This word is cap. No. This word is cap. Yes. Cap. 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 Which picture is this? Bat. Now we will find bat in these words. This one is bat. No. This word is bat. No. This word is bat. Yes. Bat to bat. Bat to bat. What is this? Map. What is this? Map. Now we will find map in these words. This one is map. No. This one is map. Yes. Map to map. Map to map. Okay student, now here are some words. We will read this word at the same way. Dad do dad. Dad do dad. Lab boo lab. Lab boo lab. Rag goo rag. Rag goo rag. Tan tan. Tan tan. Bag goo bag. Bag goo bag. Ram ram. Ram ram. Cap cap. Cap cap. Can can. Fat to fat. Fat to fat. Tax tax. Tax tax. Sap sap. Sap sap. Dam dam. Dam dam. Student, this is your lesson. Learn your lesson by heart. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.